Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Destiny 2 error code Buffalo. So first of all, you need to open up this web page and check its server status. Sometimes it can happen due to server issues. In case you find a temporary outage, wait for some time and try again later. But if you experience no outage here and still encounter this issue, then what you need to do is go ahead and make sure that your subscription is still active and working as expected. If the subscription period has expired, then the game will give the error code Buffalo. But if the issue still persists, then what you need to do is to log out and then log back into Battle.net client and check if it resolves the issue. But if it doesn't work, then try using a VPN to access Destiny 2. Additionally, some players recommend changing the game's server in Destiny 2. You can do this by simply going to the Destiny 2 page in the Blizzard app, where you will find the option to switch the game's server. Hopefully this will fix the issue. And if it did, then make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.